Woohoo! After a very long drought and almost no rain for several months, we're finally having a nice downpour. Expecting up to 2 inches of rain today. This is fantastic. I know there's going to be a lot of people unhappy with the flood warnings, but I am ecstatic. My garden desperately needs it, and my orchard desperately needs water. This is perfect. And heavens now, my pond is so low on water. This is wonderful. Definitely gonna help. I guess this is a case of be careful what you wish for. Normally this water is about a foot below this stone. Right now it's at the level. My fish are trying to escape. I'm definitely enjoying the freedom of extra water and nibbling on every algae they can find. My water is a mess. It's all brown and murky and muddy from the soil runoffs. And my backyard is flooded. So this is normally dry, but right now it's flooded. Yikes. I have a really big pond. Hopefully it will drain soon.